Good morning, future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto, and welcome to the next edition of Crypto News Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest news in cryptocurrency, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So people, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications for all latest news. So with all that being said, without further delay, let's get it on. Okay. Right, so people, I hope you're well today. Wow, the last 24 hours has been absolute madness in the cryptocurrency world. I hope you've made good decisions in your trading activity. You've got the 50, 20, 25, 25, so 50% large coins, 25% medium, and 25% low. If you have got that ratio, then this dip would not had not hurt you so much. Sorry, that was a tongue twister. Hopefully, it hasn't hurt you that much. Wow, all I can say, that was a crazy dip. But again, people, if you've been in this space a while, you'll realize that it is very, very volatile, and this is the way the crypto market works. Every now and again, you'll have a shakeout, trying to get rid of the weak hands, and the big institutions will want to buy your coins. That's how it is now. It used to be a lot of retail investors, but now the institutions have got involved. They have much better control over the market, much bigger buying power, and they're able to move the markets easier than they were in the previous years. So again, it's a double-edged sword. They're bringing a lot of money into the space, but at the same time, it's making it easier for them to manipulate the market and control at will. Make sure that they keep the prices down so they can buy more, so they can satisfy their long future contracts, and so on and so forth. So we're just here for the ride now, people. Like, we're on the roller coaster. We're just here for the ride. So looking at the top 10 today, the last 7 days, again, we haven't fully come back from the dip, but some things are trying to make a comeback. Solana, a very good 7-day 42, one of the few coins that have survived this bloodbath. You've got Monero still 9.1 on the 7-day, PancakeSwap 18.9, Maker 10.9, Pirate Chain, that's an actual new coin. If you watched our guide to ICOs, you'll be savvy with the new coins that are being released at the moment. So any new coin that's being released at the moment will pump hard, but then it will dump. So if you want to get in on ICOs, watch our edition on guide to ICOs. As you can see here, it just started and then it's had the major pump here. So check out Pirate Chain if you want to get involved, but I suggest not yet. Going back down to the top 10, as you can see, as I said before, everything's still in red. Litecoin and XRP have taken the biggest hit, but again, things are slowly coming back. On the 24-hour, you've got a little bit of gainage, but not that much. It's more of a buyer's market at the moment, so everything's on sale. That's how you have to see things now, people. It's a flash sale. Imagine your favorite store announced a 24-hour or 48-hour flash sale. You get in there and you buy because you get everything cheaper, and then the price will slowly go up and you'll get those gains back. So don't be scared. When you see blood on the streets, do not be scared. You just see it as a buying opportunity. That's what all these big institutions are doing. You have to do the same. You have to train yourself to think like them. Again. Right, so further to what I just explained, here's an insert from BTC Manager, and it reads, institutions show buy the dip. Exactly what I just said. Mentality amid Bitcoin's crash to 48,000. Bitcoin price has dipped below the psychological level of 58k level for the first time in almost 2 months. The leading crypto has lost over 10% in 24 hours and traded as low as 47,525 before rebounding slightly higher. The heavy losses in BTC markets came as the US President Biden's proposal to hike capital gains tax for the wealthy individuals intensified volatility and shocked the stocks and crypto markets. Other than stablecoins, most crypto assets such as ETH and ADA plunged alongside Bitcoin as the broader cryptocurrency space turned into a sea of red. The current sell-off has so far managed to wipe out 20 billion from the collective near 2 trillion crypto market cap. Despite the current pullback, BTC is still up over 70% this year, doubling in the first 3 months of 2021 on an increase in institutional interest in the asset class. This long-awaited institutional adoption is giving Bitcoin bulls a reason to be optimistic despite the current market decline. So it's like what I just said, the institutions are coming in now and pushing the price up, but with that also comes major volatility and manipulation. The previous BTC price slip over the past week saw the King coin tumble from a record high of above 64k set on April the 14th to lows of 51,541. During the sudden move lower, many institutions took the opportunity to add Bitcoin to their balance sheets. So again, they're buying the dip. You can see here a little excerpt from I think it's Glassnode. Korea premiums cool off, but the market is still over leveraged. Be patient. So as you can see, the estimated leverage ratio and the price in UHD, so it's still over leveraged for a little bit. And you can see here that the Korea premium index and the price is going down. So you'd want things to change, cool off for a little bit. Bitcoin fundamentals remain strong. Analyst Scott Minerd, Guggenheim Partners investment manager, believes that the BTC price action is currently very frothy and could be headed for a significant correction. In an interview with CNBC, Minerd expressed concerns that the market could see an intense decline reminiscent of the Black Thursday crash. Scott Minerd doesn't know what he's talking about. If you go back to any of Scott Minerd's inserts, you'll see that he talks absolute rubbish. He's probably buying Bitcoin on the dip as well. These are the kind of people that will say to scaremonger you, fill your head with FUD, and then on the backhander they're taking it in. So just take what he says with a pinch of salt. Okay, so let's go on over to, let's have a look at this insert for Ethereum. Whales grab Bitcoin dip as 2.37 billion of USDT deposited to exchanges on Friday. So according to Glassnode's analytics, financial institutions and other whales have transferred an eye-twitching amount of USDT to digital exchanges to catch Bitcoin, while it has fallen down below the $50,000 line. Second biggest total USDT deposit after Tesla Bitcoin announcement. This is the second biggest announcement of USDT deposit into a trading platform this year to buy BTC. The biggest one took place on February the 3rd before Elon Musk announced February the 8th that Tesla will be allocating 1.5 billion to put some Bitcoin on the balance sheets. Prior to that, almost 3.5 billion of USDT was sent to crypto exchanges. So again, money is flowing in. The institutions will not let the price go down again. As I said, in previous years, it's been the responsibility of retail investors, everybody other than big corporations, to keep the price afloat. But now big institutions have got involved. Their shareholders rely on their knowledge to actually bring them in a profit. So that's what it's all about now, creating a profit for their shareholders. So again, Elon Musk, this is what he does. He pumps Dogecoin. As I said, Dogecoin is a very speculative coin. If you like a under the radar bet and you're a fan of Elon Musk, then why not? But again, I recommend you wait until the price bottoms out a little bit. Do not go on too much on what this guy says. He has billions and billions of pounds, so he can do exactly what he wants. Musk manipulates Doge price with his tweets. Musk is known to be a long-term fan of the meme Dogecoin, often posting memes with the Shiba Inu dog and the moon about it. These tweets of Tesla CEO have been good for Dogecoin on a short-term basis, pumping the coin hard, even pushing it to a new time high of 0.44p cents, last week on Friday. On April the 19th, the coin still held at 0.44 cent, but by now has declined to the 0.28 price mark, proving to be a pretty volatile asset that can easily be moved with a tweet of a major influencer like Elon Musk. So the question you have to ask yourself is, do you want to put your money into a coin that basically Elon Musk controls with just the power of a tweet? If he's having a bad day with them and he feels to say something negative, then whatever he says will have a direct impact on the price of your coin. But again, if you like to have a little bet, a little flutter now and again, then I suggest you put it in, but not yet. You wait for a dip because it's had its pump. I suggest, not financial advice, but that is my point of view. All right, so let's move on over to a bit of TA right now to finish off with. This is the BTC USD. As you can see, we've gone through a bit of a shitstorm recently. I hope everybody has survived it and come out the other end. I hope you've taken a bit of advice from the institutions and here at CNN and brought the dip. Do not be scared, because the prices will still be rising up. We are in a bull market. If in doubt, zoom out, and you can see that we are still rising. Now we've got this level of support that we've actually held here on the 1 hour. We was in this great ascending channel here. Everything was going fine. Sorry, that's my dog. Be quiet. We're in this ascending wedge. We did break out of it, to everybody's dismay. This is it right here. We was hoping not to fall below this level here, but we have continued down, but we are seeing a bit of buying pressure now, trying to push us back up above these EMAs here. They are looking on the downside. I'm not going to lie to you people, we do want to see. Let's go on over to the 4 hour. We do not want to see these aiming down like this, so we need to be seeing them curl back up again. We need to see some curling up action. Let's go on the 1 day. Okay, right. So if this 20 crosses the 50, then we are in deep doo-doo. We do need to stay above this red line here, and we do need for this blue line to stay underneath the red line. If you can see here, we are very close to them crossing over. If they do cross over, then we'll be in trouble. We will be in deep trouble if they do cross over. So keep an eye on this one here. This is on a daily, so we've still got a bit of room to change it for the rest of the day. We are very low on the RSI, down to 31%. We are expecting a bump soon. So you can see previously, when it gets down to these levels, you get a big push up to the upside. Whenever it's down below these, a big push to the upside. So I am anticipating a move up to the upside soon. But again, the market is very volatile at the moment. As you can see on the daily, we're sloping down, going down the avalanche. It looks like we're going to oblivion, but we are holding this level here, and we did wick down to this support level here, and it rejected and pushed back up again. So as you can see, we are waiting for some buying pressure. You can see on the MACD as well, there's a lot of selling pressure, not many greens. So it is in limbo at the moment. I'm not going to lie to you people and blow smoke up your ass. Like a lot of these YouTubers, I'll give you my honest opinion. Right now it's a bit of a waiting game to see if things level off. But again, as I said to you, the institutions have their money into this, so it is within their interest to keep it a level from not going crazy low and everybody starts selling out. Let's jump on over to, let's have a look at Hollow. Okay, so Hollow Chain looking a bit better today. On the daily, as you can see, we've fallen out of this triangle here. That was the big dip here. Let's go on a bit of a wide, closer time scale so we can see a bit better. Okay, right. So you can see the descending triangle here that we was in a few days previously. Here's the big Bitcoin dip, which has scuppered all our plans. But luckily, we can see a great recovery. That was a great a push for the recovery there yesterday, and we're slowly trying to recover now. We're pushing up for the 50-day close. We're testing it. We've tested it once, testing it twice. It looks like we're going for a third test. So hopefully we can push through this 50 on the upside, and then try and we can push above this 20 on the upside to get above the 50. The 20 is the red, the 50 is the blue. So we are quite far away. We do need to totally flip these around. This is how we'd like them to look, like this. And right now they're looking the complete opposite. So we've got a lot of work to do, but we are increasing on the buying pressure. Let's have a quick look at ETH. Okay, so on the Ether chart now, right now, let's have a look here. Let's go on the 1 hour and take away these previous lines. Okay, so Ether at the moment is doing quite well compared to all the others. It is holding its steady lines. We are on the wrong side of the 20-day and the 50, but again that was due to the dump. So we are trying to recover, and we're squeezing the Bollinger Bands in. It does look like we are going down for a second test of this level here on the RSI, and we are quite I'd say, how far are we from the support? We've got a way yet to be next to the support level, yeah, so we're not really testing the support level here. This is the closest one we've got. So again, I think we're going to be going to a period of consolidation now, going sideways for a little bit, just to let the market catch up. But again, we do need to, with most of these coins, flip the actual closes. We need to be on the other side. This is what we need to see ideally. We need to be on the other side so we can start bouncing up. We don't want to be bouncing down, because that's what's happening at the moment. We're hitting our heads and we're bouncing down further. So yeah, I'd say keep an eye on the market at the moment. It's a bit choppy at the moment, but we'll keep you up to date on CNN. If that's all we've got time for today. If you like anything or got any questions or any coins you'd like us to review here, just leave a message down and we'll get back to you. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Knowledge is power. We're trying to build a more knowledgeable crypto community here at CNN. All are welcome. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.